پاکستان اور بھارت کے میچ کے بعد بھارت میں ایک طوفان مچا ہوا ہے اور اب بھارت میں اپنے ہی ایک کھلاڑی کو غدار قرار دیا جا رہا ہے.
Is Pakistan fueling an online conspiracy against Indian cricket? Pakistan's dirty war against India has seeped even into cricket. Recently, after India lost a cricket match of the Asia Cup to Pakistan, where an important catch was missed by Indian player ارشدیپ Singh, social media was abuzz with abuse towards Singh. Some of the most frequent abuses and accusations thrown at Singh were that he was a Khalistani or a supporter of the Khalistan separatist terrorist movement in Punjab, and that he was an ISI agent or an agent of the Pakistani intelligence agency, the Inter-Services Intelligence. And this created a narrative that he was being abused by disgruntled Indian cricket fans who were angered at the loss to Pakistan. But a closer investigation reveals other disturbing facts. To begin with, the very first tweet that was sent out on Singh with the word Khalistan in it was tweeted out by a Pakistani Twitter user called Usman. In fact, the highest number of references to Khalistan and ارشدیپ on social media came from social media users in Pakistan, and most of the users most interested in these two words were also from Pakistan. Research shows that even the Wikipedia page of ارشدیپ Singh was altered and the word India was changed to Khalistan overnight by Pakistani Wikipedia editors. The IP address from where the Wikipedia page of ارشدیپ was edited can be traced back to the Punjab region of Pakistan. An analysis of the thousands of tweets that started flooding Twitter as soon as India lost the match shows that a concentrated effort was made to focus on ارشدیپ Singh. More than 27,000 tweets mentioned him, and of these around 4,500 featured the word Khalistan. Many of the Twitter handles who were tweeting about ارشدیپ and Khalistan had been created within hours of the cricket match, it seemed, for the specific purpose of tweeting about this incident. Once hundreds of tweets appeared on ارشدیپ and Khalistan, many other Pakistanis, including media channels like GeoTV Twitter handles and several journalists, began to tweet empathizing with ارشدیپ and claiming to support him against attacks from Indian fans. But the attacks were being led by handles from Pakistan. Some Pakistani media organizations like Daily Times and Arab News Pakistan even did stories on how ارشدیپ was being attacked by Indian cricket fans. The entire episode is a concentrated effort to inject disharmony and hatred in Indian society, and a similar effort was made after another cricket match that India lost in the T20 World Cup in October 2021. In that case, the target was Mohammad Shami, whose poor performance in the match had contributed to India losing the match against Pakistan. An analysis of that episode also showed that a lot of the abuse and hatred was in fact fueled by social media accounts from Pakistan, and a similar seesaw of abuse and support, both coming from Pakistan, happened in the Shami episode too. This is clearly one more concentrated effort in fueling hatred within India, because ارشدیپ is a Sikh and Shami is a Muslim. Through these nefarious campaigns, Pakistan is trying to destabilize India.